Hello everybody, what's up? How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm also good. And in today's video, what I'm gonna show you, a unboxing of Huda matte lipstick. So everybody knows the name of Huda matte lipstick and it is very famous, I know. And today I'm gonna show the unboxing of the package. So I hope you are interested, aren't you? So keep watching, keep loving and supporting me. Please subscribe my channel and hit on the like button and comment down below. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the Huda matte lipstick palette and it's looking very beautiful, and you know, every girl's emotion is lipstick. Okay, so I'm gonna unboxing this palette and I'm gonna apply all of the lipstick in this box. So I will give you the real review of this palette and I'm gonna apply all the lipstick in this box and you will see the color of this lipstick. As you can see, the box of the palette, it is really very good. The packaging is really very good, and here can you see, it is really looking very amazing and the color is awesome. And let me show you every color of this palette and I'm gonna apply this color over my lips. I can open this palette from here also. Okay, okay, dun dun dun. Oh my god, it's beautiful, right? And you can see here all the lipsticks colors name are given. Let's apply the lipstick and see these colors. So as you can see, there are 12 shades of this Huda matte lipstick, and at first I'm gonna apply this lipstick on my lips. Apply this, and this is the shade number 1. Very creamy. The smell is also good. This is the shade number 1 and I applied this color and you can see this color is really very good. The first shade of the lipstick from my lips totally, and now I'm gonna apply the shade number 2. So this is the shade number 2 and I applied it on my lips, and as you can see, this color is really very sweet and it's looking very gorgeous on my lips. Okay, so now I'm applying shade number 3. This is shade number 3 and the color is really very gorgeous and bold. This is also a very beautiful color. Okay, next shade number 4 is this. Shade number 4 and it's also a very dark and bold color, but it is really very good. Now shade number 5. shade number 6. Shade number 7. Now shade number 8. Shade number 9. Shade number 10. Shade number 11. And the last shade, shade number 12. So guys, you have seen how amazing the palette is. So which is your favorite color? Don't forget to comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video very much and love you all. Take care. Bye bye. See you in my next video.